5 minutes video lang or 4 minutes. Pag na-master ko na, sa ako ipapakita yung kabuuan. So, gumamit ako ng cooking oil, tsaka royal, tsaka mineral water na 10 liters. Gumamit ako ng Thai. Yan, Thai po yan. At kandila, tsaka glue. Then, ito po ay automatic chicken feeder. So, pag ito ay aking na-master, saka natin ipapakita yung step by step. So, may butas po akong ginagawa dito. Kasya lang yung ulo ng kiti. Pangkiti siya. Tapos yung Sprite na yan, yung Royal na yan, may mga butas din yan. Nakikita ba? Ayan, may mga butas yan. Pag nilagay ko dito yung feeds, yung pagkain, doon malalaglag. Tignan natin kung kakana. Ngayon, gagawa tayo ng tukaan. Wala. Makita. Ano ba? Yan. Ayun. Pagka nabutas ko na to, lalagyan natin ng feeds. Hindi ba madilim? Diba? Meron na akong dalawa. Butasan ko, pagdadaanan ng gunting. Ikutin nyo lang. Ayan. Tatlong butas. Hey guys, ito po yung ginamit kong bilog dyan, yung takip din ito. See? Tapos, nakatornilyo po dito yan. Matigas. Yan. Kaya, pag na-master ko po ito, papaita ko sa inyo step by step. This is my first time that I'm going to do this project for my chicken. I hope it will works, so we don't need to buy a chicken feeder from the store. This is very affordable and recyclable because all the materials we are going to need is the used empty bottle like cooking oil, soda, mineral water. Actually, I just pick up those things to the garbage. Then, I turn this to very profitable result. So, I can save money to have a chicken feeder. Just look what I'm doing, and if you see some improvement, you can do it on your own. So I think tomorrow we're gonna use sanding paper to make this smooth, so the chicken head will not hurt. Okay? If you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell below, so you will be updated on my upcoming video. More tips from our TV Pips. Hindi lang po ako nagbebenta ng gamot. Nag-aalaga din po ako ng mga kambing. I have my goats, chicken, duck, turkey, Peking duck, and musang. Okay, I hope this will works. Let's see where it goes. Okay, the very hard part is when you are cutting, making some feeder way, so they can enter their heads to catch the feeds from the inside the bottles. Okay, the purpose of this automatic feeder is first to save the money, and of course from the nature, because we collect some garbage and make it to be a profitable. Now let's see if it is very, oh no, where is my imbudo? Yung kaputol. Where's the top of the coat? This one? Oh no. Royal. Mag-work kaya? Okay. Maliit yung imbudo natin. Okay na. Liit. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ayun, oh. Okay. This is only a sample, and we're gonna show you tomorrow the benefits of this chicken feeder. Okay. Let's just see. Okay. Tanan. You see what happened? Oh, the pigs will come out and they're going to catch these pigs. And the purpose of this is to prevent the contamination from the poop of the chicken and also from the infection. Okay. When they put their heads and some moving is okay, the pigs will come out and they're going to eat this. I think I have to add more hole from this one inside, so many pigs will come out. Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, bye-bye.